So now you can be self-assured that your customer service team is doing things correctly and not doing ad hoc using their own personal phone, maybe losing it, and then you not knowing whatever is happening, right? So hopefully this quick video helped. Hi there, my name is Khalif. I am the CEO and founder at YesHello. At YesHello, we are WhatsApp messaging specialists, and we help small businesses just like yours to streamline WhatsApp customer service so that you can create more revenues and make your clients happier. All right. So in this quick video, I'm just gonna go through a quick run through of what YesHello is about. So let's get into this. All right, so imagine this. Imagine you are running a company, you're a small business, you don't have the most funding. So you have to make sure that you are spending correctly, that you are hiring correctly, and that your clients stay, right? So that they keep on purchasing from you and you're not having to spend so much to get new clients. And all this depends on good customer service. So when running a business, you've got your finance team, you've got a production team, you've got a products team, and you've got a customer service team. A lot of things that happen in a small business, the biggest challenge today with everybody working online, everybody now having higher standards of the type of customer service that they can get from a company, how fast they should reply, from which channel. So since everybody is online, WhatsApp is one of the highest, most visited channel to get support, and if you're slow, your clients will leave to go for your competitors. All right, so how we help is we help small businesses to select the right tools, install it correctly, get your team to be motivated to reply super fast, and then have online team collaboration even though you have remote workers everywhere. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay. All right, so imagine this, that you land on a website. So this is our website. You can go to yeshello.chat and then they'll take a look at what the company is about. Oh, interesting. And then they want to chat with you, right? So most of the time you will have a WhatsApp icon here. And when a client clicks on it, let's say it's a WhatsApp, they'll go into WhatsApp and then the person will message your team and your team will have their own personal phone and they will message, right? So that's great if you have one customer service team. What if you have 10? What if you have 20, 50, 100 customer service team members? Don't tell me they're going to have like 100 numbers, right? So it's a challenge. So what we're going to do is we are going to streamline everything so that all your WhatsApp communication is in one place. And on top of that, you also add Instagram, Messenger, email, and all the other fun stuff. What if right now I want to continue the conversation on WhatsApp, right? What if somebody clicks on WhatsApp? Then what happens? So I click on that. We're using WhatsApp. Okay, so if I was to send the message, I will say, hi, I saw your offer on your website. Okay, so now we're sending it via the WhatsApp. Okay, so me as a personal guy sending it to the company. So inside the dashboard, so your team members and yourself, here's what you're gonna be able to see. Right? So you can see here, it's another Khalif Rizal, and he is sending a message, and then he says, hi, I saw your offer on the website. Remember what happened? So the client saw your offer, clicked on WhatsApp or whatever WhatsApp logo, message us, and it goes through the normal, sending a WhatsApp maybe on their phone or on the mobile for your entire team. Your entire team now gets to see everything in one place, right? All the WhatsApp messages, any live chat messages, messenger, email. So do you see everything here? Right, all your online messages in one single spot. So the number one thing that we help with your company and small businesses is we help you connect your WhatsApp to the right tools, so that now you have it in one inbox and you can now start streamlining your online customer service. So let me show you an overview of how we help our clients. Here's how we do it, all right? So what we want is we want a modern customer service team, and this modern customer service team, and you want to create this modern customer service model. There are three main challenges. The number one challenge is that small businesses are using the wrong tools. They're mixing business and personal WhatsApp messaging. Like I said earlier, sometimes they have 10 different WhatsApp. Number two is the reason why they don't have this modern customer service and they're not replying fast is teams are slow to reply because they are demotivated, they are not urgent because they are a remote team, they cannot get used to it, and the tools are wrong, and that's the second main reason. And third reason why you don't have a modern customer service model installed is there's no teamwork. And if everybody's working remotely, it is difficult to get support, it's difficult to give some coaching. And what we want to do here at YesHello is solve these three challenges for our clients, and that will get your team to be more modern, and they reply fast, they collaborate, and then you can retain more clients, make more money. Okay, and how do we do it? Is with the wrong tools. What we want is we want to have the right tools, and obviously we have tested so many ways of solving this issue, and we come up with YesHello. And how we help clients to install and implement the right tools is choosing the right channels. Of all the channels that's available, WhatsApp, you have Instagram, you have email. What channels is best for you? Because not all channels is the best for every company, right? So we go through the channels, and then we install a team inbox. So let me show you how do we help install a team inbox right now. And of course, the platform you can use from any device, right? So on your mobile, on your laptop, on your desktop, on your iPad, wherever. Okay, so this is the right tool. So let me just show you how we install the team inbox. So if we go back to our YesHello platform, just go to settings, and under settings, we have channels. So under channels, you can connect all your channels, including WhatsApp. Okay, so what channels do you want? You click on add channel. These are all the channels that you can connect to one platform, meaning all messages from that comes in via any of these channels will funnel into YesHello, and your team will only need to log into YesHello and then answer all the messages that comes in here, right? So if you want to just connect WhatsApp, it's very simple. Click on next, and then it's just a step-by-step tutorial. You can see that you can connect multiple channels, and with Facebook Messenger, you can connect two. If you have two Facebook pages, if you have Telegram, the web chat in YesHello, and you have two websites, then you can have two web chats, right? So we have another web chat here, SMS, all our team emails, Instagram. I have my Instagram, company Instagram. So you can see how powerful this can be for your team when you add it into one team inbox, okay? So number one, how we help is we help with the right tools. Number two, when your team already has the right tools, how do you get them to reply fast, right? So how we do that is we help with having the ideal team. We also coach on how to attract the right team. But on top of that is how to structure your team so that it is aligned so that you can work online faster. Okay, and there's a special way to do it, what we call the WhatsApp, the collaborative WhatsApp framework. Okay, so let me just show you what that looks like. It looks like this. Okay, the collaborative WhatsApp framework. There you go. So you want to start to organize it in a way where you have one person who is managing the team, and within each team member, you can have unlimited transparent conversations. I'll show you how that's done on our platform as well. And then there is a process on how to engage, how to understand, and then to recommend to the right team members so that they can solve the problem. And after a while, once you've already done this for a few months, you can automate it with a chatbot, right? The mistake a lot of businesses do is they straight away go to automating without going through this. So that's how we help with your team, organizing it so that that's the start of your team being motivated to reply with urgency. Okay. Number one is we want to have the ideal team. So let me open up that model again. It's right here. There you go, right? The ideal team. We do that with team structure, finding and hiring, and then core values for your team members. Number two, how we get your team to reply fast is to play a daily game. And how we play a daily game is we play the inbox zero game. So how do we play the inbox zero game in our platform is we go to messages, and then since every team member has their own login and all messages come into one place, you have a pool of messages. You need to make sure it goes to the right person. And once it goes to the right person, each team member or team, right? Let's say your customer success team has its own inbox. So you can create your own inbox, as many as you like. So I have my own inbox here, CEO. And let's see an example. So I have one message right there, 2 emails. Assigned to me by either the chatbot or a team member. So if I were to go and click on this one, I want to take a look at what the message is. And every day is for me to clear my inbox to make sure it is 0. So if everybody clears their inbox into 0, the whole team wins, right? And how do we clear? Very simple. You can either assign it to another team member, assign it, and then it'll disappear from my inbox into theirs. So let's show an example. If I send it over to City, okay, then instead of 3, now I only have 2 in my folder, right? And that's how you do inbox zero. Number 1 is you assign. Number 2 is if you've already solved this issue, you just close the conversation, put some notes, and then you just it'll disappear and go into the done folder, right? Then it becomes 1. Or the third way of inbox zero is to snooze it to another time. Maybe you need to find some info, maybe you need to follow up. So that is the daily game that everybody plays. Make sure it's inbox zero. Number 3 is reporting. So with reporting, you have metrics, how many tickets or how many clients did they help in a day. So all that data is already automatically populated under reports. And with this report, you can do daily or weekly. I would recommend tracking it daily, reporting it weekly. So now your team can figure out for each person, right? How good are they? What time are they most busy? You can also filter it by specific teams. How fast are they, or also by categories. So that means how many canceled clients, how many chatbot sessions, people asking for support. And all that will result in your team knowing what metrics are important. So they don't want to be the cause of things being slow, the metrics looking bad. And since they're playing a daily game, and since you already have a systematic way of doing it, they will naturally be motivated to answer super fast. Okay, so that's the second way, and that's how we help with fast replies. And finally, once they're already replying fast, imagine they're replying super fast already, they want to work fast, they're feeling motivated, but they need support, right? So if you're not working in a cubicle with another team member next to you, you cannot just ask, hey, I need some support. You need a system to make it easy for team members to chat with each other. So that's how we help with this third challenge where there's no teamwork. We want transparency and easy collaboration. And how we do that is by having an easy way to monitor, coach, and collaborate within team members. So how do we do that is if we go to messages again, simple. So we made it super simple, made it so that you don't have to think so much, and you can learn this within like a few minutes. So let's say, for example, I'm talking to this other person and then they have a problem that I cannot solve. So how do I coach, collaborate, and work with each other, other team members when they are not next to me. So instead of responding to this client, I'll go to comment and then I will tag a team member. So if I add, and then I can see a lot of people here. So I said tag Silma, and then I get add, let's say I go to Derek, and I could also click here user, right? And open up all my team members, and I'll add Alta. Okay, good. So I'll say, please help. This is a demo, by the way, right? So just in case, right? And they don't know that I'm doing a demo. What's gonna happen is they're gonna get a notification right there saying that I have tagged them. They're gonna also get a notification in email saying that I've tagged them. So then they can just click it and come in here and then chat with me. So yellow is a conversation with my team members. And if I am sending a message to this person, it's going to be a different color. So if I respond, respond, it will be a different color. It will be gray, right? This one goes to our client. So you can see here, Silma just mentioned, yeah, yes, boss, how can I help? Boom. So we can have a team group conversation within a contact, right? So I'll just chat with Silma again. I said add Silma so that she gets a notification. And then, so I just say, just doing a demo. Boom, like that, right? So she knows what it's about. So, and I can see who is chatting who's saying what, right? And then later on, we can rope in other team members and solve this person's issues very fast. Good or good. See, you go, awesome, very fast, immediately. And that's how we help with monitoring. So you can monitor and coach your new team members on how to do things and see whether they're answering correctly or not, right? And collaborate to solve issues. That's number one. Number two, on how we create teamwork is shortcuts and automation. So once you already have great scripts, great processes, you can create shortcuts easily inside our platform and then use it in a response. So I can just go /, and then all my shortcuts are here, right? So I don't even have to find it. I can just do / Calendly or calendar. Boom, all my calendars are there. So you can pick. So I can send it over there, right? So this is sent to the client. I can also do a voice message, send files, do emojis, and I have shortcuts to do automation, right? To start a chatbot automation. So if I have a, let's say, survey, customer satisfaction survey, I just go here and then I can say cancellation survey right there. I click on that and then it will start the automation, chatbot automation on cancellation survey. So one team member, once you're already good at this, can manage so many conversations because you have team collaboration. It's easy to work and you have shortcuts and chatbots also assisting the team member. So let me just click on that. The shortcut cancellation survey has been initiated. So you can say it's automation workflow done. So you can see now, we are so sorry to hear you're leaving us, So what does that look like in the platform? It looks like that. And then there's already things to choose from, right? Very cool. So that's on automation. And then finally, once you have your automation sorted out, you can create smart chatbots. So smart chatbots is another great way to help teamwork, because now not only you have your internal team, but you also have your chatbot to assist you. So what does that look like? You can go to workflows, and it's as simple as drag and drop creating workflow. So let me edit one that is already stopped. Oopsie. This one here, open in Builder. There you go. Right, so it's a drag and drop. What is the trigger? The trigger is open conversation. I could have any other trigger, right? Contact updated, or shortcut is a trigger, or conversation is closed, a trigger. And then if this trigger happens, then what do I want to do? I want to send a message, ask a question. So many things that you can do. You can build your own chatbot, and it's unlimited, right? So you can build as robust a chatbot as you like. So back to how we help our clients. So that's how we help our clients with the platform to install this modern customer service so that your team can reply to your clients faster, so that you can retain them, make them happy, make more revenues, and scale your business, right? So now you can be self-assured that your customer service team is doing things correctly and not doing ad hoc using their own personal phone, maybe losing it, and then you not knowing whatever is happening, right? So hopefully this quick video helped. If you want more info and if you want to do a live demo, you can contact us and then schedule a live demo. Me and my team would love to have a chat with you guys. All right, so that's it from me. My name is Khalif. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.